adults have to deal with enough with all the 9 to 5 jobs and bills. So it's only fair to treat yourself to some smart toys. The 90s might have had the Tamagotchis, but now we have the Batmobile toy that you can move around with your phone. And if you missed those spy kits from Zack and Cody, we have a better spying alternative for you. But how could we forget a toy bird that flies at your command? You'll have to wait for that and watch till number 1. Here are 10 fun toys you can control with your smartphone. Number 10. SPHERO Mini. Right off the bat, this looks like a regular sphere. You would think that the most it can do is just roll around. However, it can do so much more than that. After all, it's equipped with a gyroscope, accelerometers, and so many colorful LED lights. The best part is that the SPHERO Edu app, which you can download on your screen, lets you code and make your own games. Whether it's your kid who's interested in robotics or if it's you, the toy is perfect for the month of you. It comes with 6 tiny pins and 3 cones that you can set up and kick around with your SPHERO Mini. The SPHERO Play app has STEM-inspired games that you can enjoy if you don't want to go through the struggle of coding. Number 9. BEETLE Bug Toy. Every sci-fi movie always had a tiny bug that would just listen to the user and crawl around. And now you can relive those favorite movies with this BEETLE Bug Toy. The toy uses Bluetooth to connect to your phone and can crawl up anywhere. With up to 3 speed options, this might seem like a simple toy, but it's very addicting to play with. You can mess around with the sound it makes and the light options. Moreover, it's a very small toy, which means it is perfect for car rides or road trips, or even dentist appointments. Want to give your friends a little scare? Have this little bug crawl up with their leg and watch their reaction. This tiny bug doesn't just make for harmless pranks, but also for fun times everyone will enjoy. Number 8. Wireless Spy Tank. Spy gadgets were always something we wanted as kids. But as adults, you can easily buy this spy tank and live out your spy kid's dream. With the ROVER being compatible with an iPhone, any Android phone, iPad, or even iPod Touch, it's very simple to use it. And it has night vision, and it'll capture everything, even in the darkest of rooms. All thanks to its undetectable infrared night vision. And its wireless range goes up to 200 feet. Number 7. WOWWEE MIPOSAUR. The dinosaurs might have gone extinct, but you can at least enjoy a toy version of it without having to worry about getting eaten by a real one. The MIPOSAUR is a robot dinosaur that comes with its own little ball that activates different modes such as dance, feed, or chase. Moreover, it can understand several hand gestures recognitions, all while balancing itself on 2 wheels. The robot toy comes with a beacon sense infused with the ball that keeps this dino in sight at all times. Along with the app, you can directly control its driving and even MIPOSAUR's movements. Thankfully, it's compatible with Bluetooth, so it even works without Wi-Fi. Bored? Well, just put on your favorite music and watch this tiny fellow dance away. If you ever wanted a pet without the added responsibility, this is the perfect toy for you. You can play fetch with it, feed it, and make it beatbox at any time of the day. Number 6. Sphere BB-8. This is a toy that will make all the Star Wars fans gather up. The BB-8 is an app-enabled droid that moves and has a personality all of its own. Even its movements are authentic, and based on your interactions, it can react with a number of expressions. The best part is that it perks up like a cat when you call its name. How cute! Because of how autonomous it is, it's more like a companion than just a toy. Moreover, it has a very tough polycarbonate shell that's waterproof. But still, don't take your SPHERO BB for a swim. It even has an induction charging stand that provides it with 60-minute battery life. It's also compatible with both iOS and Android, so watching it learn and develop an adaptive personality is a very futuristic yet cool experience. Number 5. LEGO Batmobile. A real Batmobile might just be too expensive for you to build or even buy, but then you can enjoy a mini LEGO version of it. The LEGO Batmobile is built with 321 pieces, and it even has a Batman figurine. Otherwise, who would drive the vehicle? By connecting it with Bluetooth, you can drive it around and control it however you like. It can even spin 360 and do very impressive tricks like wheelies. Once you download the app, you can do even more tricks with it, like open its cockpit for the mini Batman to go in the driver's seat. A vehicle this cool can't be slow, and that's why the Batmobile has twin motors and even stud shooters that are all under your control. Number 4. POWERUP 3.0. Regular old planes have become way too outdated. Now it's time to switch up a few things. The POWERUP 3.0 is the perfect place because you can actually control it with your phone. The crash-resistant design and massive 180 feet range make it seem like this is an actual aircraft and not just a toy. Equipped with Bluetooth, you can control it from anywhere as long as you're in range. Moreover, it's a very simple gadget to use. It turns your phone into a sort of steering wheel so you can just tilt your screen to maneuver it. All you have to do is fold up any regular paper according to the instructions and attach the parts of the smart plane to your paper plane. And voila! You're all set to fly it around, indoors or outdoors. Number 3. BROOKSTONE ROVER. Most of these gadgets are equipped to be well and working indoors. But here's a toy for those who like to get muddy and dirty outside. This plane-controlled rover has the ability to cruise on land or in the water. Its built-in camera rotates 90 degrees. When it's in the waters, it can even give you real-time streams with its camera. With the help of the app, you can drive it, control the camera, speed, and even the lights. On land, it has fins, but when it enters the water, it uses those fins like flippers to propel through the water. Just imagine how fun this toy would be on the summer days in the pool. There's one more feature that will blow your mind: two-way audio. Talk to it, and the person on the app will be able to listen to it. Number 2. Dash. All the other toys might just have 1 or 2 apps, but Dash has a whopping 5 apps with different features. This product is the perfect mix between fun and educational, since it provides the user with a learning platform for coding. It arrives already charged for 5 hours right out of the box. So there, no wait for charging. It lets kids explore loops, events, conditions, and sequences that are all essential to the basics of coding. With different programs, you can turn into an animal, delivery truck, and even a catapult using Lego bricks. And if you forget about it for a while, it'll retain its standby battery for a whole month. Number 1. Bionic Bird. Having a pet bird is a nice experience, but you can't let it out into the open since it might just fly away. But with the Bionic Bird, the whole purpose is to make it fly around in the open sky. By installing a simple app on your smartphone, you can speed up or slow down this Bionic Bird. And with simple gestures, you can control its direction. With the fully charged battery, you get about 8 minutes of flight, and recharge, that only takes 12 minutes. Who knows? We might even have bionic dogs and cats in the future too. Alright, comment below which of these toys you want to get your hands on first. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to TechJoint, and we'll see you in the next one.